Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I got this style hair and like how I crimped it and everything. This hair is from BeautyForever hair, so don't forget to check out the links to the hair down below. And yeah, let's go into the video. Hey guys, what's up? So basically we finna crimp this hair. This is BeautyForever hair. It's really long. I made it into a wig. It was 4 bundles and a frontal. I don't remember the lengths. It was pretty long length, so probably like 28 or 26 inches of the bundles and 20-inch frontal. And yeah, so first I'm going to go and straighten it out because it's kind of wavy right now. So I'm going to use my Conair, what is this called? I think it's the titanium one and it's the rainbow one. You can only get this one at Ulta and it's about $40. So I'll link it down below just if you guys want to purchase this one. I really like this one because other flat irons I use or straighteners, they do not get as flat and I don't really understand why. But this one's really good. It goes up to, it's 30, so I think it's like 450. It just gets really hot. It gets hotter than my hot comb, so I really like it. And this is like the 1-inch one. So yeah, basically just gonna do this all over the head and use the chase method if possible whenever. So basically taking the comb and pushing it on the hair before the straightener comes. I don't know if you know. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's what the chase method is. You basically use the comb to straighten it before you actually straighten it with the heat. So yeah, and I'm just gonna straighten it all over the hair. This is just to prep so I can crimp the hair nicely. If you just go in and crimp it when it's like wavy, I feel like it won't be as uniform crimps. So yeah, so just gonna go in and straighten all of the hair and do that all over, you know, as long as it takes you. It usually takes me about probably 30 minutes, pretty longer than it probably should, but I'm still learning how to do hair. It's really, you know, I'm a baby at this, so yeah. And some details on the hair, I would say I really like it. It's pretty full, thick, and it doesn't shed as much. It doesn't, it's pretty good hair. I don't see any problems with it. It's my favorite. It held the crimps for a good while, probably a good week. But I also use a lot of hairspray on it. But yeah, it held it pretty good, and I believe this is their body wave hair, so it should already be wavy. Like when you saw in the beginning, it was pretty wavy. It wasn't just straight hair. So yeah, as you can see, it's getting pretty straight. I didn't even go in to make it bone straight, but the hair can get really straight. So I can show you basically 2 ways to style this hair. One is really straight, or one is crimped version, or you can just wear it in its natural state, which is the pretty waves, or you can curl it to make it more of like a uniform curl type wave. So yeah, but I've been loving this crimp style because Arrogante just put this back on. I don't know, it just looks so pretty to me. I'm still trying to master it, but this is you guys have requested a tutorial because you've seen it on Instagram, so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna just show you guys what I do so no one can come after me. And for this part, you don't need to use any product either, so I'm just going in and straightening. As you can see, I'm almost halfway done. And yeah, it takes me a long time to do hair, you guys, so sorry. But this is a speeded up version, so hopefully you can learn from what I'm doing by just watching. But yeah, the smaller pieces you take is the better. Then you'll see it gets more straight if you were just to straighten this hair. So this is the final straightened look. And yes, I do have on shorts underneath here, so just calm down. And yeah, so if you want to go to the top, you just go and take smaller sections and straighten the top out. But yeah, that's after this looks pretty much straightened. And then I'm going to go in with the Paul Mitchell styling foaming mousse. And I'm just going to apply that to the top of the head so it can be more flat and we can get it ready for the crimp style. Decided I finally got a wig stand because at first I was struggling, you guys. I really was. So now I'm going to clip up sections, so I'm basically working from the back first. And here we're going to crimp the hair. At first I was debating whether I wanted to crimp it because it just takes too long. But yeah, so now you can either use Got2b, but I literally had no more. As you can see, nothing came out of this. So yeah, then I went and used my bed head, I don't know what it's called, the hold spray. I got this from Laurasia Andrea, my friend. Laura, what's up? But yeah, I got this method. She uses that now to lay down her wig, so I just decided to try it. So, and it's really good hold. held really well, and it smells really, really good. So I like using this in comparison to the what is it called? The Got2b, sorry. So it was way better. But yeah, so when you crimp the hair, you're just gonna go literally as you saw me doing. So you're gonna go just at the top, and you're gonna keep going down. So the last crimp part that you had, then you're gonna keep putting it, I don't know. I feel like I'm not explaining it right. Okay, so you're gonna crimp it, but as soon as the last little fold that you have, you're gonna put it right back there and keep going down, so you can make it more uniform. So you don't want to skip over any parts. You want to make sure that you're literally clipping on the last part. As you see, like right here, I'm going to the last form that it made, and I'm making that the start of the new one, if that makes sense. And you want to also make sure that the ends you do very well. So like, you don't want to make the ends just straight. Just make sure you get every parts of the end so it can look way better. And you can spray afterwards also too, if you want to keep the hold for a long time. You could do soft crimps or hard crimps, I guess. Mine were more soft in the end because it just didn't stay that well. When I used the Got2b, it stayed very, very long, and like I don't know, it held its form. So, but yeah, so you may want to spray more with the bedhead spray. I'm just watching YouTube also, so don't mind anything that's on my laptop. But yeah. Look at me now, oh, I'm getting paper. Look at me now. And the crimper that I'm using is the Ion Triple Barrel Crimper. It's the purple one. I got this from Sally's. It was about $50, which is quite expensive, but it's very, very worth it compared to my other one that I used. I got it from Depop, and it was like a bedhead one. I really like this one better because it looks more like a rounder crimp instead of like the ones that are pretty harsh and like triangle-y, I guess you could say. This is what I'm showing you, and it goes all the way up to 450, so it's really nice. So this is like after a while. I've been doing this for a long time. So yeah, you want to make sure all the hair is literally straight first. So you want to comb it out, and when you push the spray, then I comb it again, and then I start to crimp. Because the crimper becomes sticky if you don't let the hairspray set enough into the hair, and you don't really want that, because then it starts to pull the hair apart. But yeah, this is a pretty time-consuming process, especially how like the length of the hair, it takes a really, really long time, but it lasts a long time also, and I feel like it's worth it when the look comes together because it just looks so nice. So yeah, but that's what I did. Just kept going down and down. I hope I'm not getting annoying, but I keep talking. So I'm just gonna let you guys like watch for the rest of the process. Look at me now, oh, I'm getting paper. Look at me now, oh, look at me now, yeah. Fresh to the motherfucker. Man, fuck these bitch ass niggas. How y'all doing? I'm Latunche. I'm a nuisance. I go stupid. I go dumb like the Three Stooges. I don't eat sushi. I'm the shit. No, I'm pollution. No substitution. Got a bitch that playing movies in my jacuzzi. Pussy juicy. I never give a fuck about a hater. Got money on my radar. Dressed like a skater. Got a big house. Came with an elevator. You niggas ain't eating. Fucking tell a waiter. All they say shoot 'em, and I say okay. If you on that bullshit, then I'm like, oh late. I don't care what you say, so don't even speak. Your girlfriend a freak like Cirque du Soleil. That's word to my flag, and my flag red. I'm out of my head, bitch, I'm out of my mind. From the bottom I climb, you ain't hotter than mine. Nope, not on my time, and I'm not even trying. What's poppin', slime? Nothing five. And if they trippin', fuck on five. I ain't got no time to shuck and jive. These niggas this sweet as pumpkin pie. So I can Sprite on a private flight, bitch. I've been tight since God in life. And my pockets light, and my diamonds white, and my mama's nice, and my dad is dead. You faggots scared, cause I'm too wild. Been here for a while. I was like, fuck trial. I puts it down. I'm so young money. If you got eyes, look at me now, bitch. Look at me now. Look at me now. Oh, oh. I'm getting paper. Look at me now. Oh, look at me now. Yeah, yeah. I'm Okay guys, so this is how I achieve these crimped curls. Yeah, I basically just went over it. Like, you can literally go over it more. This is kind of like, I've been wearing it like all day, so it kind of falls a little bit like this, but this is like the freshly crimped. That's how it will look in the beginning and stuff. So yeah, it's basically what it looks like. I just put like 2 little clips in my hair, and it's really long and pretty. It's really long, like all the way down here. So yeah, if you guys like this video, just give it a like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and yeah, see you next time. Bye.